Dan Deming of KCAM Financial joins us now, and we're off to a fresh week, but the end of the month.
And quarter.
And the quarter. So what do you think here as you're looking ahead?
So far, so good for 2019. So I think that, there's going to be some bumps in the road, Ange, and I think that that's going to continue. We still have the headline risk the markets are contending with. So ultimately, those are some issues that, from a short-term perspective, that market participants are going to have to deal with. But I still think the trends are in place here, particularly when you've got an accommodative Fed and you've got the certain trends heading into an election year that would be favorable for the equity markets.
Let's take a look at some of the issues coming up. We do have the jobs report on Friday.
We do.
That's a big number.
It is a big number. It is. Hopefully we'll continue to see some reasonably decent job creation. And again, the Fed's going to look into the inflation numbers in there as well. So the Feds will take their cue from that number because they have a meeting at the end of October. Right now, it's still about a 50-50 price adjustment as far as what the expectations are for that next rate cut.
Any signals in the market or maybe from the VIX telling you that people are taking out protection right now?
If you look at how much the market's moving in the last 30 days, it's come down quite dramatically, but you still look at the premium levels in the VIX futures, there is some risk mitigation taking place. You're seeing higher premium levels, again, because of that headline risk, and there's always a potential for the markets to, again, start this trend where you have a persistent downtrend for a couple days, and the VIX, again, is accounting for that.
Still all about trade?
I think so.
Washington, what do you think?
That's on any number of things. I think the trade is the top issue. Again, not only in the U.S., but globally as well. You see that being an impact against, some what's taking place in the Eurozone, in Asia as well. And all those heads of the central banks are pointing to the uncertainties surrounding the trade situation that are creating some of the headaches they're dealing with.
Well, thanks so much for being with us today.
All right, thanks for having me.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.